Hello and welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob. Today we're going to be working on a Bonney Vixen, a baby Bonney Vixen, to go along with my full-size Bonney Vixen. So this was an eBay find and just recently got it, so sit back, relax, and watch how I bring this baby Bonney Vixen back into life. Say that 3 times fast. So sit back, relax, and watch how I restore this tool. Here's what the wrench looked like before I started. Going to give the wrench a soaking in Evaporust overnight. The old paint just kind of wiped right off. I took a brush and some clean water and just kind of cleaned off the rest of the paint. Going to run it through the wire wheel. Here is a post-wire wheel evaluation. I'm using my Dremel with a sanding disc to clean off the casting marks. I'm sanding with 240 grit all the way up to about 600 grit sandpaper. I'm using a dental pick to clean out the inside of the wrench. You can see it's all nice and clean. I'm cleaning the wrench with some break-free powder blast. Now I'm going over the wrench with some steel wool. I'm applying super glue. After I applied the super glue and rinsed it, I went over it and shined it up with some steel wool. I forgot to film when I used the flits, but I shined all the metal up with flits, and then I used some Johnson paste wax
to preserve all the metal. Here is the before and the after.
Well, folks, hopefully you enjoyed that restoration of the baby Bonney Vixen. I believe it came out really nice. Pretty happy with the way it came out. And here is the regular Vixen. So your regular Vixen and your baby Vixen. So please like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Robert J. Foust, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.
The baby Vixen wrenches are similar to the Vixen wrenches, but smaller in size. The teeth will turn pipe from 1/4 inch all the way up to 3/4 inch. The tapered holes are furnished in US standard threads. Length is 5.5 inches. The tapered holes in the center are made to restore or clean threads on bolts that have become bruised or battered.